Typically, we have, as I think I had mentioned earlier, we definitely have our senior leaders involved. They are the ones that are going to provide the resources, financial resources, people resources, and promote the program, as well as hold people accountable. The other really important role that needs to be filled as far as putting a leadership development program together is getting the stakeholders involved. Those are the individuals that are going to benefit from the program. When you think about it, the people in the organization, maybe the managers and the senior managers, really benefit from having a leadership development program. So again, if we kind of go back to the example that I used earlier about having a high potential program, the fact that they know, that these stakeholders know that they have people in the pipeline that are going to be able to fill positions as they become available is very, very important to them. So they have a vested interest. We also know that if you look external to the organization, our customers have a vested interest. But when we look internally, it really has to do with those stakeholders that are going to be affected by having the leaders with the right skills, with the right competencies, with with again the skills, the experience level, the and I mentioned competencies already, but competencies are really important because it's those behaviors that are going to take that organization to that next level. I used an example of global leadership before. Well, there are some clear competencies that are necessary in order to become a global company. So it's understanding what those competencies are. So again, your stakeholders are critical. And by the way, I think it's also important to understand that our stakeholders have a very important role. We will show them the process. We will help them put the program together. We will help them identify the appropriate actions. We'll ensure that they get the appropriate training and coaching to be successful. But it's their program. It's not our program as the leadership development consultant. It's their program. And I think that's really important. We are in the role of a helper. And that's a term that comes from Edgar Schein. We are going to help them become successful.